Hanging drywall is a fairly easy project, but sometimes homeowners have a tough time cutting around all of the outlets.
Well, you can always, of course, just measure and mark the location of the outlets onto the back of the drywall. But here's a much easier way that reduces the time it takes and almost completely eliminates any mistakes you might make. First, we're going to put it about in the exact position, about halfway on there, on that stud. We're going to lean this back, lean it down. We're going to mark the location of the box onto the back of the drywall with a tube of lipstick.
So you have lipstick in your nail apron,
I do.
huh?
Today I brought some. So you just pick any lipstick that's a nice bright color, and you'd go all around the entire box. Make sure you hit all 4 edges. Put a nice thick coating on there. And then when we tip the sheet back and press it against the wall, you'll see that it leaves, it's going to leave an impression right on the back of the sheet, exactly where it needs to be.
Okay.
Cut that out for me. You want to cut right on the line or just outside the line. And just line your sheet back up, press it against the wall, and there you go. Perfect fit.
That works great, Joe.